Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get to Target. Not the store, not the store. That'll be another video. I'm teaching you guys how to get to Target in mountains. Mountains. But yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get to Target. You guys probably think you just want to go this way. This way? No. You want to go that way where he's going. That's hot sauce. So yeah, you want to go that way. I'm gonna put you guys in third person.
I made it. No way.
Yep. Okay. So what you're gonna do? You want to go this way, and then, boom, hit. You want to kind of ride the edge, and then circle in. Go through the legs. Boom. Hit off. Hit off. Hit off. Secret tunnels.
You're slow. I wasn't even trying to.
Okay, guys. Obviously, that time I didn't make it, but you know it can be pretty hard
so close.
if you're like new,
and
if you're new to making it to oh my gosh, new to making it to Target. But yeah, so if you guys don't know how to like move on ice, this is a good video for you guys to click on. So, bruh, do you secret tunnels? Okay, no, I take that back. I take it back. I take that. Hey, I made it. So here's how you do it. So the hand movement is really easy. All you want to do to move on the ice, to like move back and forth to left, right.
I made it.
He made it to secret tunnels. So you go like this.
No, you're supposed
your hand
to. You can go from wherever you
left
want.
to go left and right to go right.
You're supposed to go in.
You know. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, and then you go. You don't want to do like big tips like this. You just want to do like little, small ones. And then you can also go like this, like that. Yeah. So that's pretty much how you do it.
From where you're doing that, hot sauce,
Ready?
it's too much.
See, left, right,
You're doing it too fast. You need to
right, boom, jump up. See, that was easy. And it's like the same kind of way on ice walls like that. That's the wall you want to take to get to Target. So when you're riding a wall, you want to put your hand on it. Give you guys an example, you know. So you gotta put your hand like on the wall like this. You can't really see it that well when I'm doing it, because yeah, you just want to ride, put your hand on the wall flat, and then to go up you just want to do a tiny little bit. You don't want to go fully up, because fun fact,
I got my camera.
Fun fact,
Owen, I have to go.
if you go full on straight up,
Wait, we have to go?
you just go down.
Owen.
You just go down, so it's like pretty bad.
We have to go?
Hey, what's up?
I have to eat dinner. Bye.
You do?
Can you stay
Okay.
on until I'm done?
Yeah, I'll stay on. I'm filming a video. So,
Alright.
say bye.
Wait, we have to go eat? We have to go eat?
Okay, that was some good.
Yes.
That was good. So, like I said, to go up, just a tiny little tilt. Well, I mean, not tiny, but like, you know, not big. So, yeah, that's basically it. And I'm going to be teaching you guys. Oh, yeah, I forgot one more thing. I'm yapping way too much, but sometimes yapping helps, you know? So, right here, you see this? Like, it's the line going up. That is actually very helpful. And you'll see. You're like, why is that helpful? You know, why is that helpful? It's just a line. There's one right here, too. You get where I'm going with this? You get? And there's one right here, too. Right up there. So, that is where you get a bunch of speed. Like, a bunch of speed. That's where you want to hit off. Boom! And then, that's where you get a lot of your speed. You're obviously going to get a lot of speed, like, you know, sliding down. But, you know, it's always good to get more. Okay. Okay, so let's put you guys behind. Okay, now with all the steps that I just said, that I just taught you, you're just gonna put it all together and just go free. Okay, remember, you gotta ride the edge, boom, come back in, hit this, hit the line, hit the line, hit the line. Okay, that time it did not work, but I'm not gonna get it perfectly, you know? But yeah, that's really all. That's really all for today's video. It was pretty long. I mean, about 5 minutes. I was muted. Well, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button for more videos like this. I'm gonna be trying to post, keeping it up, you know. If I don't, that's my fault. That's my bad. And I just no. I hate it when that happens. But yeah, so that's all for today's video. If I was muted, that's my bad. That's on me. So if you found this video helpful, again, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yes, that is all. Boom. Bye. See you.